So here's the remarkable thing. I got one of your free downloads of a video.
I'm putting my hat back on.
Is that the magic hat that makes it all happen?
It is my Galapagos hat. All right.
There we go, okay.
There we go. Okay.
And
let's do it.
again.
Again?
Let's do it again.
Hold on, hold on.
All right, let's go, let's go.
You get the wide shot, I'm gonna get the tight shot.
All right, and we're on.
Okay. So, I watched one of your videos online, and you had us walk down steps or go down into our basement of our subconscious and think of really creative, powerful thoughts, which I did. And when I emerged back under that hypnotic spell you'd cast, I then had an idea, and the idea I then thought, this is just one of those things from left field, but I'll do it. I did that idea, and I then made $18,000 in the next 48 hours.
How many $1,000?
$18,000.
$18,000, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry.
In the next couple of days. And that only occurred to me because I'd gone into that sort of deep meditative space that you'd evoked, and then taking action there, I found that if I did those things, that they unlocked levels of creativity. Now, I had those in me already. I didn't even realize it until the exercise. So,
Absolutely incredible. $18,000, one hypnosis video. Not a bad deal.
not bad at all. No.
All right.
No.
Congratulations on taking action on your idea.
Absolutely.
That's right. You can be hypnotized by me too.